California's new Care Court program aimed at the homelessness crisis gets its launch in San Diego today. Thank you for joining us. I'm Carlo Cicchetto.
I'm Marcella Lee. State and local leaders gathered here today to lay the groundwork for the new program. It's aimed at pushing addicts and severely mentally ill people off the streets and into treatment and housing.
CBS 8's Richard Allen has more on how the Care Courts will work and the challenges getting it off the ground.
Well, that's right. San Diego was among the first counties to volunteer to launch this first-in-the-nation Care Court program and hosted that inaugural meeting with leaders from throughout the state.
And we really rolled up our sleeves and got to work for how we're going to make Care Court work on the streets in San Diego next year.
Bringing together judicial and medical leaders from throughout the state, as well as the 6 other counties, including Orange, Riverside, and San Francisco, that are stepping up as early adopters of this program, along with San Diego.
I think we've got to try something new to address the situation on the streets.
Through this new approach, county courts will be empowered to order treatment for homeless people who are battling severe mental illness, such as schizophrenia. A first responder, family member, or clinician could refer a person to Care Court, and a civil court judge would then set a course of treatment, including medication, support services, and a plan for housing.
It really is assessing how many people will this apply to, what services do we think they'll need, how do we get those services ready.
San Diego County Board of Supervisors Chair Nathan Fletcher says that one of the biggest challenges in gearing up for the launch of Care Court is staffing.
We have a critical shortage of mental health and drug treatment staff, and we're working to hire more people, recruit more people, train more people. So one of the biggest limiting factors right now is just the availability of services.
Some homeless advocates have raised concerns over the legality of this proposal, which would force individuals into psychiatric treatment or into a conservatorship if they fail to follow the court-ordered plan. Fletcher points out that Care Court is targeted toward those who are most gravely ill and in need of help.
At the end of the day, when someone is lying on the street, clearly suffering in their own feces, clearly not able to take care of themselves, I don't think it's compassionate or humanitarian to leave them in that condition. I think we've got to find a way to get them some help. And then when they're clear-minded, then they can make decisions.
And Care Court is set to officially launch in October of next year, although Chair Fletcher is hopeful it could begin here in San Diego as early as next summer.
Thank you.